package na ang tagal-tagal ko na itong in-order. Saan na natin? Hindi ako mahilig sa malaking bag. Hello guys! Good morning! Happy Wednesday! And it's now 10:13 in the morning. So tanghali na tayo nag-start mag-vlog dahil tanghali rin tayo nagising. Well, kanina pa naman actually. Nung magising naman ako, tulog pa yung mga bata. Nag-ayos na ako dito sa baba at nakasalang na ang aking laundry at pagkain. Nagluluto ako ngayon ng nilagang buto-buto. So, ayan na siya. Kasalang na. Yan ang ating lunch for today. Nakakamiss din yung may sabaw-sabaw. It's been a while. Last na nagsabaw ako. Luto ako ng sabaw. Kahapon nag-vlog ako. Alam niyo guys, nakalimutan ko i-close yung vlog. Nakalimutan ko nagpa-vlog nga pala ako kahapon. Okay, for today, anong ganap? Ganun pa rin. Linis, luto, assignment, work, and of course, the kids. But, oh, by the way guys, may dumating akong package na ang tagal-tagal ko na itong in-order. I ordered it way back January 3. So, ano na ngayon? 14. So, tagal din ang inabot. But then again, syempre, dun sa time frame na yun, hindi kasi kasama yung weekend eh. So, technically, parang 8 days bago nakarating sa akin. So, i-unbox natin yan. Yung item na to na binili ko, magagamit, maingay yung mga anak ko, pasensyahan nyo na. Magagamit ko ito pag uwi namin sa vacation namin sa Philippines. And it took me... Ang tagal ko naghanap bago ako nakapag-decide na ito ang bibiling ko. But anyway, enough of the introduction, kukunin ko na, i-unbox na natin. So, here it is. Pan natin yan. Buksan na natin. As usual, this is going to be a very magulong unboxing na naman. Charles and Keith. So, like I said, I was looking for an item that I can use, a bag that I can use going to Philippines. Okay, so I ordered 3 items from Charles and Keith. They're very... I wouldn't say cheap, pero affordable sila. And then I also read some reviews, watched a couple of videos, and they said it's really good quality naman. But syempre, malalaman pa natin because this is my first Charles and Keith. Since it's gonna be a travel and I needed a big bag, so hanap ako ng hanap. I found one at Coach, but I just couldn't justify the price kasi nasa $500 yung bag. Eh, iniisip ko, hindi ko naman laging gagamitin just for this travel lang or kung lalabas man kami ng malayuan. Madalas kasi small bag lang ang dala ko, so I didn't wanna buy anything very expensive. So, anyway, nakahanap ako sa Charles and Keith, but before we go to the bag, I did order also a few items from them. Let's start with this one. I ordered the sandals from them para may gagamitin akong parang tsinelas sa Pinas. So, ito. Oh, ang ganda. Ayan siya. Actually, maganda. Sana tama yung size. Uy, tama yung size! I'm so happy. Ganda yung quality in fairness. In fairness. It's not, I wouldn't say it's very... Yeah, I wouldn't say it's the best. But, it's good. Ganda. So, yan yung isa. Yes, it fits perfectly niya. And then, dahil bumili ako ng bag, syempre, kumuha na rin ako ng wallet. Kasi nung time na namili ako sa Charles... Yeah, no. Nung namili ako, naka-sale sila. Sa bukod sa naka-sale, meron pa silang student discount. And you guys know, I'm an interior design student. So, all they needed was a student email from me. So, I put in my student email there and there. I got a discount. I think it was 15% off. So, diba? So, ito siya. Ayan. Natin. Oh, soft ng leather. In fairness. Ayan siya. Tapos may zipper sa likod. Kasi wala akong long wallet. Most of the time, I use the small one lang. Open natin. Ayan siya. Tapos ito yung loob. Maraming card slot. Tapos, okay. Oh, nakalimutan ko na. May bag pala to. Oh, pwede pala siyang maging, wallet ba? Kasya kaya phone ko? Let's see. So, this is iPhone. Alam, hindi ko alam paano iPhone to. Wait lang. Okay. So, I'm using an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Tingnan natin if it will fit. See? Kasha. Nasa loob siya. So, pwede ko rin ilagay yung phone ko dito. Tapos, at the same time, it is a wallet on chain. Pwede mo siyang gawing bag. Pag pang ano ko lang, grocery run. There. Oh, ang ganda. I like it. The chain doesn't feel cheap, ha? It doesn't feel cheap at all. And the zipper, kasi ito yung mga una kong tinitingnan. Oh, it glides perfectly. Oh, happy ako dito. Sa wallet na to. Ang ganda, ang daming slots, oh. Ang daming slot. Diyan, marami siyang card slot. Plus, meron ka pa dito. Tapos, another card slot in front. Kasi napakadami kong mga ID and card and all that stuff. So, that is the wallet. And of course, the reason why I ordered from Charles & Keith is the bag. So, let's go through the bag. Hindi ako mahilig sa malaking bag. Hindi talaga. I like smaller bags. And dahil nga magta-travel, kailangan ko ng malaki para rin mga gamit ng mga anak ko, mabibitbit ko. Yung mga easy to access lang when we're on the run or something. Okay, so here it is. Here is the bag. So, parang ano siya, guys. Design na ganito na kay Pauline. May ganitong design si Pauline. It's not super big. It's not super small. It's just right. So, tanggalin natin itong mga kabit sa kanya. Yung leather niya, ka-feel din nung wallet na binili ko. Actually, partner sila, kaya ako to binili. Ayan. Marami siyang kalaman. Tapos, okay. So, it comes with a dust bag as well. That's nice. So, ayan. Comes with a dust bag. Napakalaking dust bag. And when you buy the bag, it also comes with a pouch, which is perfect para sa mga makeup and everything. Skincare. Diba? Tapos, ayun din siya. Nakakabit mo. Open muna natin yung kanyang pouch. Tanggalin natin yung ating palaman. So, ganyan lang yun sa pouch. Yan siya. And there's a couple of ways how you can wear the bag. So, tanggalin ko lang. So, you can wear it like this. Na nakaganyan siya. Ganyan. As is lang na ganyan. Tsaka, ang gusto ko sa kanya, nagsasnap easily lang siya. Magnet siya. Or, you can also wear it this way. So, ipapasok mo lang yung side, pag ganyan naman. Okay. So, gaganyan nyo lang siya, guys. Ayan. So, pwede mo rin siyang i-wear na ganyan. Diba? So, para kami dalawang klaseng bag. Her name is Kala, and she's XL. So, siya yung largest. So, just for reference, I'm 5 feet. This is how she looks on me when I'm wearing her. And when I wear her the other way, let's open it like so. There. So, it still doesn't look too big. Mga shoulder bag ako na nagpo-fall off na ganon. Hindi ganon. It doesn't feel that way. See? It's so nice. So, happy ako sa purchase na to. So, yeah. Here it is, guys. The Kala XL tote bag. She is 166 Canadian dollars. Because it was on sale. I got it for, it was on sale. I got it for 140-ish something. Tapos, yung wallet on chain naman, this one is Lilibet. Her name is Lilibet. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga name ng bags nila. Tsaka wallet nila. So, originally, she was priced at $93. So, almost $100. I got her for $79. And the sandals, these ones, this is the faux suede crossover toe ring sandals. Originally, it's priced at $93 Canadian. I got it for $79. So, diba? It was all a good deal, I would say. I don't see naman na parang cheap yung quality. Actually, very much in love nga ako eh. For the price, diba? Ang ganda. And, it's not the type of bag na mag-worry ka sa kanya na pag nilapag mo. Kasi I do have an original na LV. Sometimes I don't want to use it. Kasi natatakot akong masira, maano. Ewan ko. There are people who loves luxury items. I'm not probably one of those. Hindi ako ganun mahilig and I don't really want to splurge money on that. And I want things na I wouldn't say cheap, but affordable, but I know will last me a long time. Coach is one of them. So I do have a couple of Coach bag, and I also have some Michael Kors bag. Yun yung mga mararami ko talaga. Pero meron akong isang LV nga. So that is Kala. Grabe guys, I can't get over how roomy she is. Do you guys see how big that is? Just a reference. This one is my Coach bag. Kasya pa siya sa loob. Sobrang luwag pa. Hey guys, good evening. It's now 5:28. Oh, good afternoon. Pa-evening pa lang. But anyway, andito na ako ngayon sa home office. Kararating lang ni John. And maya-maya magdi-dinner. Tapos in a few minutes, start na yung work ko. But anyway guys, I will now close this vlog. At if I don't do this, makakalimutan ko na naman. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Till our next vlog, keep safe, take care, and God bless. See you in our next vlog. Bye!